In this video, what you'll notice is that I have my character and my enemy. And so far, essentially, you know that I can shoot, my enemy dies, my bullets destroy, all that kind of stuff. But the issue is, my enemy is not shooting me. So I need to design a bullet for that enemy and then get it to shoot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new object. So right click on objects, create, and create an object. So as always, I need to design it, and I can go through that process of doing an animated one if I want, but I'm not going to do that in this case. I'm just going to do a standard bullet because just for time purposes, really. So I'm going to draw a circle, and I might even just, I don't know, add something in there just for the sake of it. Why not? So yeah, there is my enemy's bullet, and that's the bullet that's going to be firing at me. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually just going to give it a speed. I'm gonna give it some behavior essentially. So I'm going to double click on object 6, and I'm going to add an event. And what I want to do is I want to add a step event. Okay, and the step event just happens every frame. What I want to happen every frame is I want it to move. So I'm going to use the execute code section, and I want to give it a horizontal speed, h speed of -8, which means it's going to move in direction left. But I actually need to write h speed equals -8. And that way it's going to move left. So when essentially I get round to making the enemy, encoding the enemy to shoot, the enemy will eventually start shooting to the left. I've got to program that, and I'll need to do that next. But you just make sure that you've designed your bullet and you've given it a behavior which is to move left. You can make it move right if you want. You can create two enemies, and you can create two types of bullets, and you know, one enemy shoots to the right and one enemy shoots to the left, and that is completely up to you. It's your imagination, it's your game. You just do whatever you feel is necessary for your game.